I have been watching the Pratinidhi for quite some time. I have watched their Gunjan show as well as their plays. They're wonderful, wonderful organization. And today's show is absolutely amazing. I love all the singers, the orchestra. It's unbelievable. I love this local artist and they truly, truly perform and serve this community. Thank you. The Bullia song was absolutely gorgeous. The singers are amazing. They have an in-depth understanding of the Indian music, so I love them. Okay, I'm going to hand it off to the Taj now.
The show is wonderful. It's really great to be here to see this historical artist, and they've been doing for 14, 15 years. It's a really great to be here. It's a wonderful show. I'm going to give it to Taj.
Hi there, this is Taj here, and this is my first time coming to Pratidhwani show. It's such amazing. I'm just transformed to Bollywood. Such an amazing show. I would love to come back again. I think all the songs were amazing. I'm surprised to see such great talent here in Seattle.
Barnali from Seattle as well. I'm totally stunned by the performances. It is difficult to distinguish between the original soundtracks and the performances we are witnessing today. Totally floored. Awesome. Awesome job.
Hi, my name is Lokesh. In the beginning, the host said that it's an extravaganza for the audience, and I truly believe that, and we are really proud to have such a wonderful music group in our backyard. It's an amazing feeling. This is the first time I'm coming, and then to have something like this in Northwest, it is really applauding. Yeah, I like it. No, I mean, all the songs are pretty fantastic. I think, what are the songs that you people like?
Barsore Mekha, it was exactly ditto, like same as the original one. You couldn't make out.
Rangila song. The song from Rangila was also really good, very well rendered. The song from Rangila.
I like the Ik Chaturanar. I think they did an awesome job. Lots of energy and fun.
We are Gautam and Gauri from Redmond. We really enjoyed the show, and we are very happy that they included some really unique songs which are usually not included in shows like this, like the Bhag Milka Bhag song. It was really good. We enjoyed it a lot, and keep doing shows like this. We really like it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mihir, and I'm here at Gunjan 2017 by Pratidwani. And this is at the Maiden Bauer Hall, and it's a fabulous show. I really love the Chaturanar song, and also love the comparing by Ankur. It's a lot of comedy. I have a lot of friends over here who are doing very well in the talent and showing that expertise in encouraging us. It's a fabulous show to have in the Seattle area. Chaturanar was fantastic. Yes, absolutely. And sorry, I can't remember the artist names right now, but I think overall the show on the songs till now, till the break of Chaturanar was my favorite. They were both the duel was great.
Yeah, so Gunjan 2017, awesome job.
Yeah.
Guys, you did an awesome job.
Yeah.
And it's a wonderful show, and I hope I can get an opportunity to participate into Gunjan. That will be good. Thank you. Hi, my name is Pankaj Yavalkar. I work here in downtown Seattle for Amdocs. This is our first time we coming for the Gunjan, and so far we are liking it. I have my little one, her name is Zara, and she's liking it very much. She's clapping on all this alternate song. She's dancing here. My most favorite track so far over here is that Bulia song. And we're liking it.
The song which Prasanna sung, and it's Bulia song, which is really nice. We love that song, and the one which Deveshi sung from it's a Rajasthani song, Assami song. That was nice. Yeah.
Actually, Devish is one of our friend who is a main volunteer and a singer over here, and because of her, actually, we are here in this event, and thanks to her for giving us an opportunity to attend this event, and well done, Gunjan team.
Hi, my name is Prasanna Ganapule. I am the lead singer in Pratidwani, Gunjan 2017. We just had a fabulous show today here at Maidenbauer in Bellevue, Washington. We started the rehearsals about 1.5 months ago, and the reason we had to squeeze that in that much time is that we have great musicians, and it was great to perform along with these guys. As you can see, there was a lot of public here, and everybody stayed at the end. Thoroughly enjoyed that. We had such fun over here. We presented about 23 songs, all the mix, Hindi songs, some of these Bengali as well, and it was a mix, slow numbers, medium numbers, fast numbers. Total fun, all Bollywood music, great guitars, keyboards, drums, vocals, chorus. It was a complete package. It was such a fun to perform here. And we are so much fortunate to have a great crowd and great audience who cheered with us and support us in Pratidwani, and hope to see the Gunjan 2018 even bigger, massive show, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Hi, I am Sheetal Patwardhan Bapat and she's Purva.
I'm Purva Jathar. Hi.
So we performed for Pratidwani Gunjan 2017 this year, and it was an awesome performance. We really enjoyed this, and the practices were going on for almost 1 month, and even we enjoyed all the practices. We did a lot of fun. Yeah, I mean, we were literally there for 12 to 6 every Sunday, maybe some Saturdays too, but it was really fun, and we performed really nice dance numbers and very catchy songs, and so we were in we did some chorus part. Purva did some which one your song?
I sang Barsore and Hame Tumse Pyar Kitna.
Yeah, Suraj Duba Hai. It was very, they're like hit song of Bollywood, so we really enjoyed this, and even people were so nice. They were so cheering up, and so it was really good experience with even Bonidhi and Rajesh helped us a lot. Rajesh was the director, and he was really awesome. He is awesome.
Hi, welcome to Gunjan 2017. हम आपके लिए हर साल गुंजन लेके आते हैं प्रतिध्वनि से, and this one was a special one because we started and finished the preparations in just a month, which was a personal challenge to me. It was my personal dangal, you can say. The show was very well received by our audience, and we hope to do this again next year. Thank you.
Gunjan 2017! Yay!